Hi Rahul.
Hi, sir. Mm,
So you are giving your product demo for QA testing purpose, right? Today, today's
yes, yes.
session.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mm,
Okay.
so,
So you're going to explain the process of the product, how you designed from this PPT. Then later on, you are going to show the demo of the application product, ML
ah,
application product.
yes, yes, yes,
That
yes.
that is
Yeah,
the agenda, right? Okay. Yeah.
yes,
Please go ahead.
yes. Okay. So, this is demo regarding the credit risk assessment using machine learning approach. This is for the QA demo, and this is a demo is done through the job coaching. So, my name is Rahul Patil. I am from Mumbai, and here is my coach name. Coach Shanti Kumar V. Here is her LinkedIn ID, and this is a uh, sir URL, coaching URL. So this demo is regarding the I have to this demo regarding the credit risk assessment. So this is basically loan default use case. So use case and I build the this use case using machine learning approach. That and lastly, I am going to give you the menu driven system where all the activity from to data loading to the last output, all the activity automatically done to the using the Python script at backend and give the output if the we have to approve the loan or not. So using the Streamlit application, it is a fully automatic. So so my first slides regarding the user requirement. So the need or condition that system should be meet to ensure that it can access credit risks effectively. In the context of this loan default, the system need to be capable of analyzing the likely of the that borrower will be default on loan or not. So this is the overall user requirement. So you can say this system effectively recognize that that a particular loan default likelihood analysis. So it is a major user requirement for this purpose, this use case. So here is a pictorial representation of the credit risk assessment system. So in inner side you can see loan default likelihood analysis, core objective of the system, and then credit risk assessment, broad evaluation of the borrower risks, and last system needed conduction of effective risk assessment. So here is overall user requirement for this use case. So then user stories. uh, as a loan officer at a bank, I want to AI-driven credit risk assessment tool so that it can quickly determine whether a loan application likely to default based on a financial history, employment status, spending behavior. So these are the parameter. On the basis of these parameters, the system can be determined. AI-driven system tool can be determined. So default likelihood prediction of default by using these features: financial history, employment, CIBIL score, and employment type, age, gender type, you can say. So by using all these features, it can determine default use cases. So here is a picture represent AI-driven credit risk assessment funnel. So here you can see loan application goes in, then it check financial history analysis, then it check employment status, then there it says spending behavior of that particular person. Uh, by analyzing all this pattern, it predict whether the default happen or not. So these are the user story. Then demo objective. The main goal of the this use case is to access the likelihood that a borrower will default on a loan or not in order to minimize the financial risks for the leading institution. So here is the first what we do first. We analyze the data on the Excel. First we analyze the data, financial history, behavior, then evaluate the default likelihood. After evaluation, we have to take decision on the loan approval or not. So this all the overall demo objective means first we have to analyze, then perform the risk assessment, then we have to take the decisions. We have to approve or loan or not. So this is are the main objective of the demo. So here is a workflow means for the my use case, my product, what I build. So here, first I have to I build loan predict app. In that loan predict app, I have to first load the CSV file, and then I have to drop the loan ID, set target as loan status. Then second, I have to perform EDA, shape, data type, missing value. See, all these things are happen automatically in menu driven system. Then I have to check the relationship with the loan target column. Then I have to perform feature engineering that handle missing values, encode the categorical features, and scale the numerical feature if there is a uh, uh, not distribution is not there is a distribution not followed, and some numbers are away from the actual number, outlier are present in there. So I can perform the scaling also for that purpose. And then uh, after performance the scaling, I have to process, after processing the data, then I have to save that processed data. After that, I have to perform the feature selection. In feature selection, with the help of the correlation matrix or ANOVA or REA recursive feature engineering. So with the help of any of one method, I provide all these three methods in menu driven system. You can choose any method. If you want to choose correlation matrix or correlation ANOVA, by using this, you can choose any important features, and by using that important features, we train the model. And then after this part comes that model training. Then the data is split into train test splits. Then this is a binary classification problem. So I give the three model, logistic regression, random forest, and XGBoost. You want any model to algorithm model to on which we have to train, so we can choose any model. Then the a regularization technique. I prefer here a cross validation for the regularization technique. Then after performing training is done with the help of regularization, then I have to save the train model with the metadata. After saving the model, I have to evaluate this model with the help of accuracy, F1 score, AOC, ROC curve. And then after evaluation, if I get good evaluation matrix, then I have to make the prediction using the test data. So this is the overall process I have to follow in that product design. So here is a screenshot of the that particular product. So I have to load the data by browsing. After loading the data, I have to perform the data analysis, distribution relationship. I have to perform. After performing this relationships with the targeted column, then here loan data processing. Here you can see run automate processing. So I have to click this. It process all the find missing values if there is. So it give the all the numerical values, process value. After this, you after this you when you move to next parameter, that feature selection. So here you can see the select method I have given here. So by menu driven, by clicking here, you can get these three feature selection, correlation matrix, then ANOVA, RFE. And by using any one you can use feature select the important features which help in the build the model. After that, I have to model training. I have to train the model. Here also I give the select menu. Here I give the all three models: logistic regression, random forest, and XGBoost. I have to regulation. I have to put the adjust the regulation parameter also and start the model training. After model training got completed, then here is a model evolution part. Here we get the performance of the model. We can say that accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and ROC, AOC curve. So it is a confusion matrix we get. By using that confusion matrix, we can evaluate how our model is fit for the prediction. So by using this, we make the our model evaluation. Then here you can see the ROC precision recall curve, ROC curve, precision recall curve. It cover the all more major part, so it look good for the prediction purpose. And then lastly, here we can say here's a dashboard for making the prediction. We have to put the all the mm, uh, values and then hit the predict button. So it's a loan approve or not. So this is all the overall flow for the product designing process. So now I'm going to show you the CSV file. So this is my CSV file for the uh, model training purpose. So here is a loan ID, gender, marriage status, dependency, education, self-employed, application name, income, then this is co-applicant income, loan amount, loan, and this is a loan amount terms, credit history. Here's here a property and loan status. So this is a file on which I build the model. So now I move toward the my s- jo- work Python script where from there where we go to the menu driven system. So here you can say app.py. This is in this app.py you can see uh, uh, all the files that a data loader, EDA, feature selection, feature engineering, model evaluation, model training, and utils.py. All these files that code are get access are the function calling from this that app.py. All the function call from this. So this is a we can say the parent file app.py. Here you can get the all the front end related information how I designed slide bar, menu driven. So this is all this feature selection, feature engineering, model training. So all the front end menu driven systems we can access or we can get from this app.py. So and here is a data loader. Data loader.py. This is in this we load the data in the format of CSV file, and we do all the if and it give here is a try exception error. So if file is not, so you can go the error also if file is not found like that. So and here I perform the all the EDA operation from all the EDA for the this use story this use case. So data set, missing value, data type, data sampling, data distribution, categorical distribution, correlation matrix, and so all these related to all the EDA part is done here. Then feature engineering, where I do the feature engineering with the correlation analysis with the help of correlation matrix, ANOVA, and recursive feature elimination. You can see here. And then model training part come here. I give the three models for the training, that logistic regression, random forest, and exipose. And using this, I evaluate the model, precision recall and accuracy, ROC curve. Evaluation happen from here side. So you can see this is a code for ROC curve plot plotation. And then utils utils.py. This file is useful for the dump the model and load the model. So now I am going to demonstrate the my this application. So here you can see my D drive. Here is my Streamlit application present, and this is my ML environment. This is my ML environment activated. Now I have to run the Streamlit run app.py. This menu-driven system I am building on the Streamlit application. I hit the enter. Okay, so this is my ID.
It is the local
So
IP, right? Local.
this is look. I share to you, sir. You can check also.
Is it working in my remotely? This particular IP,
Uh,
because it is
uh,
made.
okay,
Is it
yes,
a
this is
public
my
IP?
public IP. Yes, yes. So you can see here the my application loaded successfully, and from
You shared IP to me.
wait, sir, I'm going to share you.
Ravi also can test it. This is public.
Yes, I'm sharing to you.
Okay.
Sharing to you. Yes.
Yeah.
Now I
1 minute. Let us open it. Hold on. Ravi, you can also try.
Yes, sir. I'm
No, but it says it cannot reach this page. Is it your local laptop IP or public IP?
okay, so it's a local laptop IP. Yes.
Local laptop, it will not work for us, right? It need to
Yes,
be
yes.
on internet IP.
Internet IP. Yes.
Yeah, so locally, yes, they can load the programs in their laptop or in
Mm,
their desktop and
mm,
test it locally.
mm.
If they want assign to a particular IP, then they need to depend on the cloud IP, cloud
Cloud IP. Yes,
VM,
yes,
VM and
yes,
IP. In VM, they can test it
yes,
because it
yes,
is going to configure from the VM itself, that
yes.
particular IP.
Okay. So now, sir, I
Okay.
load the data.
Hmm.
Yes. This data I'm loaded. So here you can see the I load data successfully and loan ID column remove automatically, because this column not require in whole the process. So I automatically remove the ID. Then here come to EDA part. So you can see here EDA part, here all the data type of the each column it showing here, and then data sample also is show here, and you can here's a distribution. Here is here show the data distribution of the your with the help of the chart, and here show the relationship how the one heat map, with the help of heat map you show the how one feature related to the target column, or how one feature is depend upon the other feature with the help of this heat map. And loan status relationship also is say means how many are married, yes or no, and their count on the XY axis it show. And loan status dependency with the help of dependency means related to all the education with count, then self-employment count. So relationship is showing with the help of that bar chart, and here it show the outlier, how many outlier present in the our data set with the help of the box plot it show. So loan status, urban, rural area, and semi-urban area. So all this plot is plot in EDA process. Then I move to the next feature engineering. So to run the feature engineering, I have to click on the run automated processing. So if I click on this, it do the all the feature engineering, remove the all the missing values, outlier, and give the data, correct data to us. After that, we have to feature selection. So here I can choose any one of this: correlation analysis, ANOVA test, or recursive feature elimination. So I choose the correlation analysis and for feature selection. Then here I choose logistic regression as a model. You can here also logistic regression, random forest, and XGBoost. I choose logistic regression. Regression strength I put here, maximum iteration, and class weight I put balance, and start train the model. So here model save successfully. Here you can see the accuracy 75%, 2% standard deviation, and here you can get the all the model summary. And then here you can see the model evaluation. Here you can see the 75% is accuracy. Here you can see precision recall also, and this all the activity. And then after lastly we put the all the information: credit score, gender, see gender male, yes; marriage status, yes; and dependency, application income, increase some application income. Suppose I put 1,000 here. Loan amount I put something here in terms, loan terms, okay. And hit on predict. So it show that predict result is approve. So we can approve, and here give the all the detailed analysis, confidence prediction. So for this purpose, we can approve the loan. So this is overall my menu driven system application, and this is my sir profile. So this is here search all the information regarding the coaching. So you can visit to this URL. So, so all this about my menu driven system, sir.
Okay, if
Yes.
QA guy need to take this build and run it, you
Hmm.
will be giving the zip file. Then they need to download it, and in the zip file you will use some sample test data also,
Uh,
right?
yes.
Then they need to prepare their test data QA test team to break the system basically.
Hmm.
So you have some test cases, anything to show it here? What kind of example test cases to QA team?
So, sir, this is one data, first data, and then
No, no.
second.
Earlier we have documented test cases. Remember that you have the
Okay,
copy of
okay,
that.
okay.
You open that document and show the test cases also in this demo. Because one need to understand how to test the application also, the QA team. Only test
So,
cases you can show.
so,
You have prepared the setup documentation also.
this is the
For,
documentation regarding
yes.
how to first of all for the you have to create the virtual environment.
Hmm.
And this is all the what is so I have provide all the what mean by virtual environment, which from where you have to install the Python, and the which Python you have to take, and which command you have to run to create the virtual environment, and then after creating the virtual environment, how to activate the virtual environment. So this I first of all for testing purpose you have to do. Then you have to do install the
Do
all.
they do 1 minute? I have one question. Do they
Uh,
need to have VS Code as mandated, or they can run from command line also?
sir, this virtual environment creation and this file also means run the for this loan application. This can done from the command line also.
So they don't need to have these tools, right? Development tools, VS
Yes,
Code,
yes, yes, yes. No,
and
not required.
even notebook.
No, 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 no,
Notebook is not required, right?
not
Python
required.
notebook.
No, no. This
Okay.
can be done
So
from.
if they don't know Python, also they will be able to handle the application execution, and they can test it.
Yes, yes,
Uh,
yes.
yeah. Now, do you have the test cases, or Ravi can share it to you? You can show them here. रवि
Ravi,
आपके पास टेस्ट केसेस है ना यू शेयर इन व्हाट्सएप और मेल टू राहुल व्हाट्सएप में
Wait
you
some
can
minute.
open the document and show. You don't have
So I want to search the test cases.
1 minute, Rahul. Let me check. I should have. We documented it actually. Just a minute. Okay, I found the document. 1 minute. I'll share in WhatsApp to you, Rahul. Check your WhatsApp. Test cases and latest test strategy document. I shared it. You can discuss the combinations of the testing, types of testing, then later the test cases description, what to test. You don't need to go to detailed test cases, but template is there. Test case description is there. You can say
Uh,
what they are going to test in that.
yeah. So here, you can see. Hello, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead and explain the test cases, why they
Okay.
need to test those things.
Okay. So these are the 10 test cases. So first test case is regarding the invalid data type. So you can see in first type, when data is ADA, there we can see we find out the data type of the features. So first of all, they have to give the data type of the particular feature. If one particular feature is string and it find that it is an integer, so it is a conflating for the while building the model. So we have to first know the data type of the is feature and input file. Expected output is that um, system flag error if if data type is invalid. And what is a pass criteria? All the data type, all future data type in valid format. String goes to the string. In integer value for integer feature, it to be go to the int data type. So this will be the passing criteria for the invalid data type test cases. So next second case is a extra unknown column. So unknown column or extra column. So in my use case, there's loan ID is a extra column. So a file with additional irrelevant column. System System should ignore the irrelevant column. So passing criteria, it automatically uh, ignore this irrelevant column, and while ignoring that particular column, no crash happen. So this is a we can say the passing criteria. So in my our use case, we automatically ignore the loan ID column, and it after ignoring it not crash the system. So this is a passing criteria. Missing require column. File missing mandatory field means file missing mandatory field. Example, credit history. System throw the error or stop the logs or stop the training if there is a missing field is found. So in my case, yeah, you can see here I get the missing value. Uh, Missing value in EDA part. I perform the missing value also, and the and find out the all the how many numbers of missing value present in that case is in features engineering. Yeah, I can say yes, missing value found. So this is the missing value uh, criteria, missing value. Sir, I'm not moving another for correct. Wait. So I share whole the screen.
What is it?
Wait, sir. Means here you can see the my missing values are present in the my data set. So with the help of this and here also my passing criteria for this test
No,
case
they
is
need to prepare the data
uh,
according to the test case scope,
yes, scope, yes.
because
And
each test case might need separate input files.
mhm, okay,
You
and
got it
then
right?
yes.
For see, for
Then
invalid data types, they need to put in numeric field, character content. Okay. Then missing
ah
required columns means you need to make blank some columns, including character field and numeric field, such kind of things. So that file need to be input given as input to the first option. You loaded the data right while loading.
yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Then large data set means you might have 5,000 or 10,000 records or
Hmm.
something like that.
Records.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So that
Yes.
is the each test case they need to run with the different
So,
data sets.
data set. And
Yes.
lastly, file format validation and output file format should be generated in the Excel file. All the data output should be generated in Excel file. So this is the all the test cases while performing the QA testing guy who are to perform this all the test cases.
Can you go up? There is a categories of testing or types of testing is given there. Yeah,
Yes, yes. There's a
that
type
also you
of
need to explain it.
functional. So there is a type of testing. So this is a functional testing. Um, Means ensure that app accepts CSV or Excel input file. So in our case, it can accept both the cases. Validate the prediction and made the each record. Check if output match expected outcome for the text sample. So this is a functional testing we have to perform first of all, and then data validation. Ensure missing value are handled properly. Negative value should be corrected or flag. Check for invalid data type is integer or categorical feature. We have to check data type of each feature. So this is the data validation testing. Next is output validation testing. Confirm that prediction output file include original input plus predicted loan status, and verify correct output format. If CSV with header present or not in the output file, we have to find out. And then error handling, upload file with missing column, all malformat data, unsupported data. Support means unsupported data format is there while loading the file. So it ensure that error messages occur, means this file format is not correct like that. And system does not crash while if we load the uh, invalid format data, it show the message but system cannot be crash. So and performance testing, so the test how it can handle large data file and check the prediction as per record. So these are the steps to perform the testing, different steps, types of testing here, all the types of testing we have to perform in
Okay,
QA
okay.
testing. Yes.
This is the general procedure for
Mm,
testing ML model, but depends on the size and scope of the ML model.
work.
It varies one model
Yes.
to another model. In your model, we have predicted these are the things.
Mm,
Then we did it. Okay,
yes. Yes.
so it's good presentation
Yes.
because you have explored to QA testing options also by explaining the product setup and executing and showing the output files also finally. One cycle of the testing, you have done it. So I'll
Yes.
stop it.